So, which one you on now?
We on LNS.
Okay, so how old was Abraham when his wife had a baby? 50, 75, 100, or 125?
Ooh.
Let me take it. How old was Abraham when his wife had a baby? 50, 75, 80, or 125? Which is 125 years old. 125 years old. Can you, back then, really?
Yeah, I don't know.
Lord, I don't want to be 125 years old, okay?
Yeah.
Less than I'm strong,
I
healthy.
I want to say 100. 125 seems a bit much. I thought it was like around 90, but 125, man.
You say you want to say 100?
Yeah, I'm going to go with 100.
Final answer?
Yep, final answer.
Okay. My baby is right.
Yeah,
Yay! That's
yeah.
in Genesis 21:5. 100. You know what? I would have said 75.
75?
Oh, wow.
I thought it was like 90, but.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay.
All right, man. All right, so I got 2 more to win. You got 3 more, so let's see how this ends out. All right.
Yeah, no more trick questions.
That was a good one.
Yeah, what?
How many times did Moses stretch out his hand over the Red Sea?
I thought you only did one time. You don't give me no examples?
How many times did he... I can't help you, but
Yeah, you can't help me. Okay.
Yeah, just think about the story in general.
Okay, the story in general, I would say he gets to open it twice because he had to close it. So I'm just going to say 2.
That's your final answer?
Yeah, final answer.
All right, let's see. Yep, 2.
Yes, because he had to open it and close it.
Yeah,
okay.
so Exodus 14, 21 through 27. All right, man.
All right, now.
All right, let's go. I'm on New Testament.
New Testament. Who picture was on the coin Jesus discussed with the Pharisees? Who picture was on the coin Jesus discussed with the Pharisees?
The coin? I don't think I remember that.
I know, and I can't help you since when somebody gives you but it's a think.
I don't remember no coin.
Listen to the question again. Who picture was on the coin Jesus discussed with the Pharisees? This is the only time they ask him a question about a coin. And people even argue about that right today.
Moses or not Moses, but like, yeah, I don't know, man. I don't think I ever remember reading something like that.
Can you imagine why they asked him this question?
The coin?
Yeah.
No.
From my recollection, it should have been they was trying to trick Jesus and saying should they pay taxes.
Okay.
And they said, well, his name it should be Caesar, I think is on it.
Caesar.
And they said, he should pay, Caesar, God, or whatever. And he said, well, give Caesar what Caesar, and your God was God.
I was thinking of a person. I'm like, damn, did he ever mention other people, like Caesar and, all of them guys? But I was thinking that, but I just didn't think that would be a right thing to say.
Well, let's see if we both.
All right, let's
see what's on here. Caesar.
Dang.
That was Matthew 22, 19, 22.
So Caesar done popped up 3 or 4 times in the thing.
Yeah, I see, right? And I can't even spell Caesar. I'm looking at Caesar. I can't even spell Caesar. Wow. I've been bending my brain for a while.
All
Caesar.
right, man. All right, New Testament. Fill in the last word. My God, why hast thou forsaken?
Jerome, it's not that easy. Why God was taking me? It can't be that easy, babe.
You going with me?
Yeah, me. Because...
Fill in the last word.
Yeah, forsaking me. His father, he's on the cross, had forsaken him. And he asked him why we forsaken him.
That's your final answer?
Yeah, okay, final answer.
All right, yeah, you got it right. It's me. But it's Matthew 27:46.
Yeah, because he was on the cross.
All right, Mom, I took the lead now. All right, Ma.
Okay, so the W is wisdom, right?
No, we on I'm on New Testament.
Oh, you on New
NT.
Testament? I gotta give you another one then. What did Pilate mean by washing his hands in front of the crowds? Think about it. What did Pilate mean by washing his hands in front of the crowds?
I want to say that he washed his hands to be clean of killing or torturing Jesus or whatever. Like he was trying to be free of the sin, because once he found out what was going on, he didn't want to be a part of it no more, or something to that degree. So he's washing his hands to be free of like sin against Jesus,
Okay.
or something to that degree.
Okay. That he wouldn't be responsible or guilty for Jesus' death.
Okay.
And that's in Matthew 27:24.
So I don't know. Does that count?
I would say it count because
Yes, I was close. I wasn't very.
Yeah, but you understood it, so yeah.
All right. All right, Mom. So let's see. We got the last one. I think you got to answer two. So you got to do wisdom, and then you got to get back to the star at the top. So I don't know which one. Oh, then you got to pick a random question on the card. Because once you answer wisdom, then you pick a random question, and then you make it back up here. Then you win.
Oh, really?
All right. So we got two more questions. All right. All right. Fill in the last word. No man cometh unto the Father but by.
By me. Yeah, we have to come through Jesus.
That is, I think you got an easy one. Yeah, me.
John
14:6. Yeah, they give me easy ones out here, right?
They pay me back from that Caesar one and or whatever the last one was.
Okay.
That's pretty cool. Thanks.
All right.
And yours is the wisdom one.
Yeah.
Okay. Fill in the missing word, which is starting now. By blank are ye saved through faith, and that not of yourself; it is the gift of God. So the question was, by blank are you saved?
By blank, you are saved.
Yes, it's by blank are ye saved through faith, and that not of yourself; it is the gift of God.
I don't know why grace is coming to my mind, but
You will go do good, Ben.
so it says grace by was it grace?
You want to say by grace are ye
By
saved?
grace, yeah, it's grace.
Okay. Final answer, Ben.
Yeah, it's fine answer.
Yes.
Yeah, it just felt right in my soul.
Yeah, now it feels right in your soul. Okay, that's in Ephesians 2:8.
Yeah, that one felt
that sounds.
It's like there's another way you can actually say that thing. All right, Mom, this is for all the chips.
Oh, the chips.
All right, let me see.
I love chips.
Let me
You
give
don't
you.
love chips?
Let me give you a good one.
You can just give me one.
Yeah.
You can't cheat the word. You got to either know it or
Yeah,
you
that's
don't.
true, that's
If you
true.
don't know, you got to learn it. So.
That's a good one. I like both of them. All right, let's see this. We're gonna do letters, numbers, and sequence.
What do you mean?
No,
You gonna?
I gotta pick a random one.
Oh.
Yeah, I think that's what it said. It says. Yeah, so it says, number 4 on here, it says, after a player has answered a question correctly in every category, the flight up the rainbow is complete. The player moves peg to the top of the cross above the star at the top of the rainbow. Player must answer a question from a category chosen by agreement of other players. All right, so we would have to decide if it was more people. Okay. If the answer is not correct, the player remains there until the next turn and is given another question. Yeah, so we're supposed to actually go. Well, we'll just move up there because I think I did it the other way. All right, Ma. Which book of the Bible comes right after Acts?
Comes after Acts?
Yep. Which book?
I can't believe you picked that one from me. Oh my
you say
God.
you gotta know it. I mean.
And much as I look at this, oh my God, that's a good one. I'm always confused with the Romans and the Corinthians.
Okay.
Okay, so Romans or Corinthians.
Okay, what you got, Ma?
This one I'm gonna find a hard one with me too. Wow. I'm gonna have to go with Romans. I know it's Corinthians, but Romans.
That's your finance, Ma?
Yeah, that's my answer.
Dang it, man.
It's Corinthians.
Bam! You got it. It's Romans.
Yes!
Good job, man.
Oh, that's good. Thank you, Holy Spirit.
Good job, man.
Thank you, Holy Spirit.
All right, Mom. Won the game today. How about
that?
I
won the game?
Yeah, basically.
Wait a minute, don't you want to get one too?
Yeah, we can just do one just for kicks, but yeah, whoever gets to the top first wins or whatever.
Wow, I did not know that was thank you. It was the Holy Spirit.
Mom, pulled it out.
Tell me though, is it Acts, Rome, and Corinthians?
Oh, let me see. I've been like trying to study it, but I think it is Acts, Romans, Corinthians. Yeah.
Wow.
We can take a look real quick. Yeah, Acts, Romans, Corinthians, 1st and 2nd Corinthians.
And then after the 2 Corinthians, then that's when Ephesians and Galatians come in.
Yeah, it's Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, Acts, Romans, 1st and 2nd Corinthians, Galatians,
and then Ephesians.
and then Ephesians.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh wow! I'm telling you, I really didn't see myself getting that one because I did.
Yeah, that's a tough one.
Oh wow, that was that really was.
Because people don't remember it as a,